What is this? Well, it's a thing I need to run 2 retic stations off 1 active wire, and it's called an adder station. This single green wire is the one we want to turn into 2, and this is the second solenoid that we want to activate with the new wire. I've already gone through and added an extension piece of wire, allowing them both to connect to the receiver on the adder station. Once opened, the adder station comes in 2 parts, the receiver and the transmitter. For now, we need to install the receiver. It has 6 wires coming out from the top. The common and the active at the bottom here are ones that you need to connect to the existing 2 wires. The V1 is what you'll connect to the first solenoid, and V2 wires is what you'll connect to the second. Isolate the active and the common wire on the receiver. Then cut the active that you plan to use and the common on your existing wires in the ground. Cut off the solenoid, then proceed to match your common wire on the receiver to the common wire in the ground. Then do the same with the active wires. In this case is the green from the ground and the orange coming from the receiver. Separate your V1 wires and connect them to the existing first solenoid. Grab your V2 wires and connect them both to the extension wire that feeds through to the second solenoid. Using the same 2 colours, connect the extension wires to the secondary solenoid. Quickly going over what we had just done. Here, the active and the common wire has been rerouted through the receiver. These 2 wires at the bottom here have been connected to the first solenoid, and the last 2 at the top right have been connected to the new second solenoid. Once that's done, pack it back inside the solenoid box and head to your controller. This is your transmitter that you'll be connecting into your wires in your controller. Disconnect your single active wire, in this case the green one. And connect it to the orange wire to reroute. The last 2 wires on the transmitter are the brown and the blue, being the 2 new stations. Place them in the stations that you would like. And pack it back in the controller and close